Hi guys, it's Keith Arkenberg Farms here. I just want to show you my flame weeder real quick. Okay, there's my flame weeder rig. They consist of a red dragon torch, which is right down there in the center, and I built a cowl for it and put some wheels on it. The cowl is about 15 inches across. I've got a leaky valve, that's why the flame's still out there. I had it on just a little bit ago. Built the back on it, a place to ignite it. List of flanges on the side. Found some little pieces of metal. Took the wheels on, both sides. Then underneath, it's just an open cowl. It's about 15 inches across. Inside measurement from here up to here is about 15. The upward measurement on the top over here is about 6. This one here about 8 inches from here to here. And it's put together with a bunch of sheet metal screws. In the center, took a screwdriver, beat an X out so I had something to work with, and then I cut little tabs, you see them right there, and bent them up and wrapped it with a hose clamp. Actually, I used 2 because I didn't have one long enough. Then I bent the tabs over it and I just tighten it down as needed. Steering controls for the Red Dragon. I've got the flame on, flame off lever here, and then my valve control. And then I just threw my 5-gallon tank in a backpack. Let me show you how it works. Now I've just been making 4 passes with it, 1 down each end, and then 2 towards the center. I just want to quickly go over the purpose of flame weeding. I'm not actually trying to burn the weeds away. What I'm doing instead is I'm just burning the outside layer off the top of the leaf. Once that layer is gone, it loses protection, the water goes out, it evaporates, and then it dies. So let me turn you around here and I'll show you. Now you can see how they started to go a little bit brighter red and start to wilt a little. Or brighter red, brighter green, I'm sorry. And starting to wilt a little. That's what I want to see. That means I've destroyed the protective covering on it and they will die. This is all going to get covered with landscape fabric for lettuce anyway, so I just did a quick burn on it. But really they only need about a second to a second and a half at 160 degrees to wipe them out. Now I hope you guys liked what you saw here today and thought it was useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.